Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing, 1921 Carnegie Lane, Unit Number 1 in Redondo Beach. Let's have a look. Step into your private patio, perfect for barbecues or dining al fresco. Welcome to the main level living space of this traditional floor plan end unit townhome. This inviting living room offers direct access right out to the private patio, this cozy brick fireplace, built-in entertainment center, recessed lighting, and these beautiful hardwood floors that flow right into the dining room. Here we have multiple eating and entertaining options, from the dining room to these two bartop spaces. And this kitchen is light and bright. It's been tastefully upgraded. We have crown molding, abundant cabinetry, these beautiful countertops and backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The living space is completed by this convenient half bathroom. Just downstairs, you'll find a bonus space that's perfect for your private home office, and continue through to the attached two-car garage with direct access. Here you'll find plenty of storage space, and there's a side-by-side laundry area. Upstairs, you'll find even more storage space, and these two suites on opposite ends of the center hall. This primary suite features a vaulted ceiling, a walk-in closet with built-ins, beautiful natural lighting, and this refined, remodeled full bathroom with white and gray marble. This secondary bedroom offers its own walk-in closet, even more built-ins, and its own dedicated ensuite full bathroom. So thank you for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Please reach out today to arrange for your own private tour.